Let me show you why I'm going to start a website for Cody. Say he couldn't get in the truck. Wilson, he jumped right in the truck. Cody just bumped his head into the door there. Then he can jump up here now, see? He finally jumped up there and crawled his way up through there. And he made his way over there. That's Cody, the blind rescue dog. He does pretty good for a blind dog. Cody, look this way. Look. Say hi to everybody this morning. That's old Wilskins. Wilskins. Or Clifford. That's his nickname, Clifford. Look what he did to my seatbelt. Tore it to shreds. Him is a destructive monster, but he can be trained, and he is a good, lovable dog. Clifford, the big red dog. So we're going to try to figure out how to put him in the very back seat today. This is me, I'll be looking good. Gotta go to Asheville. See if my Christmas money is there, so me and the dogs don't starve today. Run out of money for gas and fuel, food, dog food. Old Clifford here eats a lot of dog food. And my Aunt Marilyn, she knows I'm on disability, so bless her heart, she sends me $100 a couple times a year just to help me out. My real daddy, he's real stingy. He sends me $25. Which I almost send back to him if I didn't need it so bad. But, you know, my aunt, she's, bless her heart, she sends me $100 and it gets me through a couple days. Which we desperately need right now. So happy holidays. Don't ever start chewing tobacco. It's deadly. It's a deadly disease, deadly demon. It's almost impossible to beat.